Looking to refer new drivers to Lyft? Here's how to find your unique referral code. First, open the Lyft driver app and log in. Next, navigate to the Promotions or Referrals tab. This is usually found in the main menu, accessible via a menu icon. Once you're there, your referral code, which is an alphanumeric string, will be displayed. You can then share this code via SMS, email, or social media. Remember, this code is key to earning referral bonuses, so make sure it's shared accurately. In 2025, Lyft integrated AI-driven matching to suggest potential referees based on driver networks, enhancing efficiency. If you've received a Lyft driver referral code, here's how to apply it. During the sign-up process on the Lyft website or app, there will be a field to enter the referral code. Make sure to input the code correctly. After entering the code, complete the onboarding process, which includes a background check, vehicle inspection, and completing an initial number of rides. Keep in mind that the code must be applied in a supported market, and you must meet ride thresholds, e.g., 50 to 100 trips to qualify for the bonus. In early 2025, Lyft referral bonuses can be up to $750 for both the referrer and the new driver upon completing 100 rides.